first ever entry of Diaries YouTube channel. So this is where I will see my growth as a nurse, as a student, as an angelite, and as the future Ada that I have dreamt to become since I was a kid. Today is tapos na yung class ko, Biochem. Naloka ako sa lab pero anyways, yung actual vlog, actual journal entry would start tomorrow. And yeah, I hope maging consistent ako sa pagdodocument ng journey ko as a nurse. Yung goal ko is first to fourth year, gagawa ko na ganito. Not for views, not for entertainment, not for money, but for videos that I want to go back to kapag USRN na ako. Para ma-remind ako kung saan ako nagsimula, kung saan ako nag-umpisa. Welcome to my very first entry. See you tomorrow morning. Good morning and welcome to the first entry of Diaries. Today, 5 a.m. ako bumangon and today is Tuesday. So, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. of puro Gen Ed. So, let's start getting ready. Sobrang inaantok pa ako. Time check. It's 5:47 a.m. Makeup and hair done, but we all know that this makeup is not gonna last. School air. Hindi ko pa nahanap yung perfect setting spray. Now, it's time for breakfast kasi in 6:15, we are gonna leave. Yung phone ko, 60%. And yung iPad ko, 1%. Hanggang 6 p.m. kami ngayon. What am I gonna do? Oh my God. Testing yung mic ko. Kaya niyang i-pick up yung sound. Hello? Hello? Kaya ba? Hello? Negative. Well, hello, hi, what's this? Hey, we're gonna report. Dalawang reporting na ang nagagawa ko ngayong araw. Hindi na to nakakatuwa. Ay, joke lang. Tatlo pala ang gagawin kong reporting ngayon. Hi, I'm Danica. I'm here with Kimberly Baluyot. What department and section and year level? First year college, INU 102 and nasa nursing department. Ayan! Alright! How is your fourth week?
Parang parang pang last day na ng klase or parang patapos yung pasukan yung pagod namin, guys.
Okay, I am here with grade level department and section.
My name is Bodeniel Evangelista from NU 102,
What department?
the nursing department.
Wow, okay, so how is your fourth week?
My fourth week, I may say it's very challenging, but you know what? You just need to enjoy at the same time.
Okay, mag-report namin dyan si ma'am. Bye, guys. Sige talaga, dyan talaga si ma'am. At interview na natin si Marion. Very quick interview. How is your fourth week?
My fourth week is very masaya.
Wow, masaya daw.
Except for anatomy and biochem.
Ako biochem. Ayoko ng biochem. Hi guys, lunchtime na. Predicted, hindi na survive ang school air. Sana wala si Sir Ethics. Kumain na si President. Mag-hi kayo guys. Hi kay Future Leandra. Just in case na baka mag-iba yung friends ko. Char. Si Danica. Si Bia. Si Kimber. Si Mark. Wala yung isa. Ang fresh ko ngayon, guys. Our class press. Danica Alexa. Nagamitin ko ang aking pagka-class president para makichismis tayo. Charing. So, excuse tayo! Tara lang! Anong feeling ng 24 hours president? It's okay, it's fun. Gusto mo yung pressure? Hindi naman ako nape-pressure since magaling yung mga class officers din nakasama ko. Lalo na si Bo. Oh, ang galing ni Bo. Ang kitang mic ko. Hello. Pag nakita mo to, hindi ko kakainin yung binili mo. Kaya laklakin mo yan. Hindi ko nga pinabili yan eh.
Oh!
Kainis. Ano. Hi guys. Sasabihin dito, expose natin si si Ada tsaka si Vian tsaka si Danny. 12:32 na tapos 3 minutes na lang papasok na kami. Babalik na kami sa PGN.
May practice kami guys, role play.
Yung roleplay last week pa yon. Tapos ngayon pa lang kami magpa-practice tsaka magpa-plano.
So guys, di kami kompleto. Wala si Janelle. Congrats, Janelle!
Nagtatampo si Bian sa boyfriend niya dahil lang didalhan siya ng food. Ang lamig-lamig. Kanina umuulan, ngayon hindi na. Hi. Hello. Kahit hanggang dito rinig ako. Hello. Ay, bakit ka nainis? Diba, nainis lang kasi ako. Like, today is not my day. Oh.
Si Gian Tuazon, meron na din.
Trio.
Mag-refill ako ng tumbler ko real quick. Oh, ayan. Diretso sa ground floor. So, yes. Kailangan tayo maging stay hydrated. So, pumayat na ako, please. Sana pumayat ako pag 4th year na ako. Welcome to A Diaries!
Wow!
Uy! Hello, ma'am. 2 minutes pa, pwede na tayo umalis. Anong masasabi mo?
Anong sasabihin ko?
Na 2 minutes na lang. Ah! Yes! Relate.
Good day, everyone! I am Charles Darwin. Let me introduce to you the Early Friday!
Inayo ko sila mag-SM pero ayaw nila. Yan na guys. Super haggard na. OMG. Na-start ko na yung A Diary. Say hello.
Hi.
How was your day?
Taas yung exam, yung over 100 kanina.
Ilan?
88.
Wow! Very good, sir.
Tama yung sagot ko sa bond paper, pero sa sobrang nagmamadali ako. Letter C, dapat letter D yung nabilog ko. Dapat 92 ako.
Uwi na
Pero
tayo.
tama yung sagot ko. Oh, uwi na tayo.
Just got home, everybody. So this is the fit check after 11 hours of gen ed classes. Here's Garby girl. Here's Garby girl. Garby girl. Ah, bukang king naman ang bebe na yan. Oh. Yes, wonderful insights, baby girl. The best feeling kapag galing mo lang sa school is meron kang parcel. And it is from Dala Brushes. Are you kidding me? Girl, this is so good. Oh my gosh, sobrang smooth. Parang paintbrush. This is so nice. Oh my god, I'm gonna scream. No greater feeling than coming home from nursing school with a parcel waiting to be opened. I'm gonna add this to my brushes collection, as in lahat ng brush ko is Dala. Here are my makeup brushes. Ano to? Naging makeup vlog na to. I don't care. I'm gonna take a shower. And then tingnan ko muna yung canvas ko. Hi, I'm using my iPad for the summary of my first ever journal entry for A Diaries. So today, sobrang saya. Lalo na nung SCS. Like sa morning, medyo inaantok pa ako and wala sa focus. And gutom. Pero nung kapag STS talaga, sobrang saya because of the teacher din kasi. Like every activity is very interactive and hindi ka mabobore sa class niya. So I feel kapag hindi ko na siya teacher ng second sem, ng second year, third year, fourth year, mamimiss ko si sir. Kasi
ilang meetings pa lang kami. Pero I know na he's gonna be a very memorable teacher for me. This day is very fun, although 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. kami. I had a lot of fun documenting everything. Kahit medyo nahihiya pa ako magsalita on cam kapag may ibang tao. And this is Ara writing A Diaries.